Little baby, how are you, my little baby Gian? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite toy? Agido, ito nga baby ko. Ito nga baby ko. Aga, si Papa, si Mama, si Kuya, si Ate. My name is Baby Caleb. I am 3 months old. I am a little boy. I'm a handsome little baby boy. That's why I'm Sinina na pogi. Sinina na pogi. Nina na pogi. All right, little baby, my little sunshine, my little baby. Hello.